The core of our business, and really what we do very well, is the software. We're able to normalize sensor payloads into a standardized format across thousands of different devices and can manage all of the templated downlink commands to the devices. This allows us to configure, send intervals, and change the way devices behave. So, Sigflow has this sensor application that allows you to do everything you need to do so that regardless of what the requirements are of the use case, we can meet them. But something that is really important is the ability to buy hardware from somebody and have an app that goes along with it and turn it on and it just works. Because historically, most of the time, what we end up doing is getting a sensor from one manufacturer and getting a gateway from another manufacturer. And then each of these products has their own way of programming and turning it on and making it work, which is unique to each other, and you have to learn how to do that through R&D or having an embedded engineer that can write the codes for the devices and do all of this crazy stuff. And then you've got to get that data into a LoRa network server or a cellular or Wi-Fi or whatever it is. And there's a bunch of routing that goes on there. Now you've got to get the data to an application and then to a building management system and whatever else you may have. So there's a lot that goes on just to get one sensor working. Whereas what we've created over the years of just iterating and figuring out what the market needs to remove the friction is the ability to just say, hey, I need a leak sensor, a temperature sensor, an HVAC sensor, or whatever it is. We can just scan them in, and it's working right away. Then we route the data out and it's done. So the 30-day process of that we've created, the kickoff process, the training, and then the deployment comes from the fact that we've got all of the tools to get you up and running quickly. All we need to do is engage with the team and figure out what the project is, and we can set up the foundation needed for you to be successful with what you are trying to deploy. For more information, call 833-744-3569 or email us at connect@sigflow.com.